Amita, you're a hardcore movie maker, a producer, starting from being an intern.
One never planned what one was going to become. In my first internship with Equinox, they offered me a job in a month's time. I walked into Equinox and I was the only girl in production. But the amazing thing about this company is that they never let you feel that. Respect is something that I will give. वो आदमी जब घर से बाहर निकलता है तो या तो किसी का बेटा है या तो हस्बैंड है, वो रिस्पेक्ट लेके चलता है. I have to maintain that on myself. I'm sorry.
What is that sort of learning, that growth, that spirituality? How do you gauge it?
My parents managed to give me more than everything that I could think of. Freedom to think, बोलने का freedom, सोचने का freedom. I think that's my manifestation.
And how is it working with AI?
To me, it's very liberating because we've been through all formats and technology my entire life. AI is just in technology that I need to use as adapting to a new format.
Your connect to the young Amita and now. How clear is that tunnel?
When you tap into yourself, you go to yourself as a 12-year-old, and it's a 12-year-old cycle. All the cycles keep repeating. But that's the real you. I have no regrets.
Amita, welcome to Vibanta.
Thank you so much for having me. This is really a delight. I'm just
But
very
you know
happy.
what is delightful is your personality.
Really?
Because you have such a bubbly, effervescent, positive air about you that is it's palpable. You know, I think everybody on the team feels the same.
Thank you so much. And thank you for making me feel so comfortable, Queenie.
So, Amita, tell us a little bit about yourself. I know you're a hardcore movie maker, a producer,
Yes.
and starting from being an intern.
Mm-hmm.
Tell us a little bit about your journey.
Okay, so yeah, from internship, of course. So one never planned what one was going to become. One wanted to become a whole lot of things, of course, when you're 21 and you just crossed so far as the communication course and landed a job in my first internship with Equinox. They offered me a job in a month's time. So even before you have finished your exams, you have a job. Now you don't know what this job is going to be about, right? But you're so excited that you've got it on your own thumb. So I walked into Equinox and I was the only girl in production. That was the first introduction into the world. To say that there was Shwantro, there was Dilip Ghosh, his other partner at that time, and Ram was still assisting. And there was only a secretary, and everybody else was all men. Not that there was a problem with that, but I was the only girl. But the amazing thing about this company is that they never let you feel that. I mean, it's just like in a minute I was part of the gang. And so there began the journey of being a production as
But
a
that's unusual because
Yeah.
you're talking about here few decades ago.
Absolutely.
And
talking about
to have that feeling that there's, we're all the same, girls and boys.
It was, I think, actually somewhere for me, I think it came from home, with my father and mother, and we were three siblings. And there was never a comparison with two sisters and one brother. There was never a comparison. So, education wise and all that, though they were leading at I was leading at some other moment, but we were individually what we were. They were not
Amita,
compared.
you're so
Mark में वो रह गया है.
you're so right. And speaking to you on that note, for me also, I was brought up, boys and girls were the same. In fact, girls were given a little higher pedestal because they're girls and Lakshmi hoti hain. And I think that attitude with which you grow up is the attitude that the people treat you with.
Yes, absolutely.
So here you are, families that feel their daughters are being discriminated. They have to give them that to be able to expect that from the world for them.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, absolutely. So when you come from a world where लड़कियों से पैर नहीं छुआए जाते हैं, तुम्हारे पैर छुए जाते हैं, so it's like तुम्हारे कभी discrimination हुआ ही नहीं. So where were you going to think when you went for a job that you're going to be anywhere less than my brother or anything, whatever? So you will catch a train, you will go by bus, you will walk down those streets where there's full of jhopadpatti, because famous at that time, Tulsi Bag Road was not developed at all. You walk in very boldly, and any job that was given to you, you took it equals. So you never looked at it, oh, but my colleague over here is a guy, or we were doing it together. We were given all responsibilities together. So, of course, the journey began on big sets,
Hmm.
shoots happening, ads, of course.
And Bombay City gives you that.
Yes, it does. It
It does.
does, absolutely.
You can sit into a taxi and come out of a taxi without feeling any fear.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You're in that bead on a Dadar station, but you exist, yeah.
Yeah.
It matters. It really matters. You can't explain it to anybody, na? When you go to other cities or wherever, you can never explain it why. There is a vibe about us. I very much own it. Of course, I know all the languages. So I speak Marathi, I speak Hindi, Gujarati, everything. So you just like maneuver because even on set, so there it began with advertising. The learning in Equinox was amazing because you were never treated as a production assistant. You should only do production. You were part of the post production, you were part of the music, you were part of carrying the cans, you were part of getting the post. So you learned the whole thing by just being present. You were there, you learned. तुमसे कोई नहीं बोल रहा था कि वो कॉस्ट्यूम डिपार्टमेंट में वो सिर्फ लड़का जाएगा तुम नहीं जा सकती. नो दैट ड्रेस दादा एक्सक्यूज मी वो टिपका पड़ला वो साफ करून लेके आओ तो लेके आओ. Set agar white, I still remember Shubhantu shooting Binaka bed drop and Shamak was on the thing. It was a dance thing going on. And Rachel and Shamak at that time. The set was completely white. So every time they would perform, Shubhantu would scream from the crane because it's a crane setup, from top. And they say, who's there? Who's going to go and wipe the floor? And I was the only girl. Would in a whole place full of 100 people, you were not worried for a minute to go down on your fours and wipe the floor because you knew continuity में वो दिखेगा.
Right.
तो कैसे तुम समझते हो ना? तो ये जो बोलते हैं ना like you became a producer and you became but your DNA is cut out to do production ना.
Yeah.
So you know कि all aspects of it you're going to handle. Then there's just curiosity.
Yeah.
Then the next step. Then the next step.
And the next.
And the next. So advertising to getting married to Ram. Before that, of course, ad agencies. So Ram and Agni were not allowed to meet after a certain time in the evening because लड़कियां late नहीं आती हैं घर है ना ad shoot नहीं करने का. So he said कोई बात नहीं मैं agency join कर लूँगी. Agency is a 9 to 5. So we will still meet Ram and get home by 7 o'clock. So little conservative, my father, but doesn't matter. He was just doing pyar se, But of course, we had to break all rules, na? तो वो तो करना है. But then I did Chaitra, which is now Leo Burnett. After that, I went to Ogilvy. We got married. Then I did a whole lot of stunt with NCPA. I wanted to work with Vijaya Mehta. Very interested in just being with Bai. From my childhood, I'd seen all her Marathi plays. Big fan of Marathi plays, Marathi literature. I just walked in through a door one day. She had become the executive director of NCPA. And Bai was just sitting there. And I just walked in by wanting an interview. Wanting to काय करायचंय गं? I said, मला फक्त तुमच्यावर काम करायचंय. So she was like, just so stunned. I said, anything you give me. And I already had Siddhant. I had a job, I had everything. I just am not going to get this opportunity. So it was 50 years of India's independence. And she was doing a sponsorship program calling all the artists from the world. And Devika was handling it at that time, the sponsorship. Vojwani. Can you believe it? That entire year, every big artist from Vilayat Khan Saab to Allah Raka Khan Saab, we invited through the year. And that began the journey into events. Suddenly, next, I was writing for events, all these companies which were coming from abroad who wanted to do a Bollywood event in Mumbai. The team pack which is coming from Paris, a close friend of mine had a contact there. So 300 people are coming. I'm here writing a script for Bollywood, setting up a film city somewhere in Baikala, doing all those kind of shows. So event company Dance Bazaar began at that time. So I did work towards that for about a while. Then came Studio Balance, my own studio, which was at Chowpatty. So I've been in spaces, all very production and very kind of a entrepreneur, producer driven. And I, of course, came back to Equinox back once when Ram was doing Let's Talk, his first English feature. And I came back for marketing and I was his producer at that time. Went back to NCPA, did all this other series, Studio Balance and everything. Then we were doing Neerja. I remember coming back to Neerja and telling him, Ram, tell me once, iske baad mein to picture banane wala hai na? Are you going to just keep waking one? He's saying, nahi, abhi picture banate. Picture shows were just going to be coming on. So I came back. I was still running Studio Balance and I came on to Neerja. That was really the big experience of what you can call of getting a producer ka feeling. You do get that. Though we were associate producers because Bling was, Atul was just, Bling had begun. So Atul wanted to be the producer, their name was getting. So we were associate, but the production was entirely us. But that was a unexpected. Though Let's Talk it was an indie film. It was ours. We were like Hardy. This was a whole feature film experience of another kind, of handling everything. Like there were 600 extras every single day on the set.
Wow.
We host a shoot. We always tell people we don't conduct a shoot.
Yeah.
Host a shoot. So looking after these people, we created a Shraddhanjali tent in memory of. Her mother came. Nirja's mom came to the set. It was a big deal. It was a big deal कि वो आई थी. Came to bless the show. Now these things matter a lot. And every extra who was trained and rammed does a lot of workshops for the character building and all that. We had to make them in the Shraddhanjali tent. Every evening there was a tree of life which got lit. कि यहाँ लोगों की जानें गई थी. They have to belong to somewhere to feel. People lost their lives. And so this was a place to be. All that thing when you create. Now when the mom also came and when she saw Sonam Ade to meri Lado hai. How you feel this mom's heart now? And then she didn't survive to see the film complete. वो दिसंबर में गई, फेब में रिलीज हुई. You already know ये picture कोई और ही reason के लिए blessed है.
Wow.
How you know these things? Now, like when you just see this happening, now every side of Nirja was an experience. It was a theatrical release. It was different deals. It was Fox at that time.
But for you, what was the learning from there?
From Nirja, it's like I really felt that every single thing that you wish should be happening as a producer, पहले तुमको करना आना चाहिए. अगर you're pushing a team, even your production team to say वो tent बना, वो अगर free नहीं है, I remember doing झाड़ू on the set over there. They were not free. They were really pushed. It was just like cut to cut schedule. I remember going down there with my peon and my driver, and I said ये tent मैं खड़ा कर दूँगी, because I could do it. See all the production training. I was there sweeping that full ground. तंबू लगाया, bathrooms ठीक किए, सब किया अपने हाथों से. They saw it and so that team belonged. I remember removing the, they put between A and B crew and C crew, of course, all these crews that they call crews. My setting on every set is always with the spot boy first. मैं चाय उसके साथ ही पीऊंगी पहली वाली, फिर set चालू होएगा, correct? Now I've grown like this. What to do? They had put these dividers between A crew and B crew and C crew. I was so shocked. ऐसे क्यों? इसीलिए उनको ये देंगे फिर उसको वो नहीं, ऐसे पहले निकाल. क्योंकि मैं तो सी क्रू में खाने वाली हूँ ना. मैं ए क्रू में नहीं बैठने वाली हूँ, मैं सी में बैठूंगी. They said no, but then we can't because of budget. जैसे तो ए क्रू को थोड़ा कम देना, बी और सी को सेम मिलेगा. So that became a trend. Why should anybody, they don't always know they have to go and eat in a B crew. Like कभी-कभी कहीं भी चले जाए, उनको ऐसे नहीं खाना तो is, you cannot be discriminating.
But maybe it was the vibe of the movie also.
No, I think it was just the production team. This is the setting that the learnings that team had come from. कि दूसरे sets पे होता होगा. But for me, I was shocked कि लोगों में और पेट में ऐसे भूख सबको लगती है. Excuse me, you're not like some A crew is getting some भूख अलग से and C crew को भूख नहीं लगती. भूख तो सबको लगती, पेट सबका हो. And I said, respect is something that I will give. वो आदमी जब घर से बाहर निकलता है तो या तो किसी का बेटा है या तो हस्बैंड है या तो वो रिस्पेक्ट लेके चलता है. आई हैव टू मेंटेन दैट ऑन माय से. आई एम सॉरी. जैसे एंड दे नो ये ड्राइवर्स के टेंट में 100% जाके बैठ के खाने वाली क्यों, मैं तो खाऊंगी. दिस माय टीम यार. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी. सो दीज आर लिटिल थिंग्स दैट यू लर्न एंड यू से दैट एवरीथिंग यू वांट टू पुट आउट ना तुमको करने को आना चाहिए खुद, या तो कराने को आना चाहिए. किस नोबडी शुड रन. हाँ गमित तू नहीं करेगी ना, मैं नहीं करेगा तो इसका क्या होएगा. नहीं, मैं कर लूंगी. I only do stuff that I will be able to control and I'll be able to do. Worst comes to worst. Not कि मुझे सभी आता है, मैं सीख जरूर लूंगी. But then I learned really well. That's actually been the whole overall producer journey. और तो कुछ नहीं है.
And producer and entrepreneur?
Entrepreneur has been for Studio Balance, which I ran for 10 years, which was at Chopati, which was again a passion madness. And I think after that, every business that has began post Equinox Films, that is RMF, Ramadhwani Films, and Equinox Virtual. currently that we are producing on AI, and my first AI series is going to be coming out. That I'm creating, I'm writing. It's my stuff. I'm doing the lyrics. I'm doing the music myself. So, Mohini has sat with me from 1998. Iska number hi nahi kabhi laga. And everybody was laughing. Why now? I said, maybe it was waiting for AI to come. It's liberated me. I can create her. I can visualize her. I can make her dance. She's written. She's dancing now. It's just so amazing. She just came alive. I said, like, wow, what is even happening? So, cheezein aati hain. So, as an entrepreneur, I have learned over the years of running Equinox Films for a long period of time, though ads were primarily something that Ram and the other directors, and we grew. Ram Madhwani Films came with Arya. Though in Equinox Features we had made Nirja, we were associates. Ram Madhwani Films began with Arya, the series. And that was the fastest learning because the series has a whole different, because it was with Hotstar, it was different contracts, different legal systems, 8 episodes. My God, you're stretching your time like you're making 4 feature films at the
It
same.
was very interesting. I saw it.
Yeah.
It was like the binge watching. You couldn't get off one after the next
Yeah.
after the next. But very women centric
Yes.
role.
Yes.
Was that your idea?
No, that was entirely Ram. Ram, as you see our company, I have, of course, I joined a company where there was no discrimination, but it has grown exactly. You will be on my set now. There'll be my DOPs will be all women. My costume, हमने कभी नहीं छोड़ा है. हमारे पास ऐसी ही team बनी है, always. Ram always believes that the women in his life has been the most strongest. Sushmita, she is Arya. I mean, उसको तो क्या करेंगे? She's a strong woman.
But it was like a pretty much a kind of a, I won't say comeback, but comeback of sorts of Sushmita.
Yes.
Because suddenly she was there to be seen and looking great
Yeah.
and doing a damn good job.
She is one of the, I love her, of course, but only Sushmita could have been Arya. You chose so many other actors, they read the script, this, that, but when she owned it, she was Arya. We used to call her also on set, she was called Arya. She's saying, यहाँ पे मैं Arya ही हूँ. That personality shines, and then the working around it becomes around the kind of person she is. I think what she is in life, and the Arya character, somewhere it blended. There is no fault.
She's evolved into the woman that she speaks about.
Yeah.
Because I've known her from the Delhi days.
Of course. Yeah.
A long time ago. And I can see how she's evolved, and there's something about her that hasn't changed.
No.
Her warmth, her connect, her reaching out to people that she's comfortable with.
Absolutely.
That is still there.
It's still there.
Yeah.
On the set, even during COVID, we had to tell Shushmita, you can't go hugging everybody. No, I'm तो कौन hug. मास्क भी नहीं पहनेगी, hug करती है सबको. What is going on? I said, कोई बात नहीं. I just had a rotating team.
So you made this over COVID?
The second season was COVID. So we shot the season 1. We finished shooting on March 8th, I think, 2020. And I think COVID struck by March 18th. Post पूरा COVID में हुआ है. कपाट के अंदर, इधर उधर, पता नहीं कहाँ कहाँ record करेंगे. Poor girl, she was also too much. June 19 that year we already had put it out.
Some things were simpler to do during COVID, easier, and some things were too damn tough.
It was very tough. My second season, the bubble whole thing had begun. It's a big crew. When you go to Jaipur or when you go anywhere, you are having to worry about 300 people at any given time on the day. And including my own crew. अब मेरा EP बीमार पड़ जाएगा तो who's the next, who's the next, who's the next, and Ram shooting in the middle of it, other directors.
And nobody from the bubble goes out of the bubble.
No. We were the first people who shot in 2020. We even did Dhamaka. I was the first bubble crew. I remember shooting the Renaissance. तो पूरा hotel तो खाली हो गया था. उसको पूरा बना के, that walkaway बना के. I think we were the first bubble creators.
Wow.
Screeners from outside. Nothing would enter without it being screened. We had coined some real mad stuff.
That's amazing.
But I have to protect.
Time ज़ाया नहीं किया.
नहीं चालू. आया करने का. Because Karthik was also saying, how will we? ऐसे नहीं हम कर लेंगे. Then we just went to those guys and we took over the entire hotel, and then of course they didn't have anybody staying there. We created recreation spaces. I remember putting in their upper car room. What will they do when it's a free day? So I'd got table tennis tables. I'd got all kinds of things where people need things to also hang. They can't go home. If they go home, then I have to test them. Then they have to oh my God, don't ask. It was a thing. But season 2 of Arya was.
But what is it about women-centric topics?
Ask Ram. Nee, Ram, I think for him, women as
Like if Arya was a man, for instance.
it couldn't have been.
Couldn't have been. That's what I'm saying. What is it that inspires you? I mean, do you connect to something that is like a women inspired?
I think, but I feel in Arya, the way Ram has portrayed the character, even in Nirja, but Nirja was more of a real life story also, na? In Arya, it's on a series, that series called Penosa. He completely adapted it into our world. So she became very real as us. एक माँ अपने बच्चों के लिए कुछ भी कर सकती है. It's a fact.
And the bache that you portrayed were the real bachas of today.
Yeah.
You know,
This, they're like,
like
so
a handful.
It's
handful.
more got to do with Ram's, the way he observes, you know, he's shy, but he's observing a lot. And I think when he's on the set, putting the whole thing together, there is the magic of freeing the actor. You'll do a scene, you would have done the workshop, you've internalized the person, you leave them alone. तो लंबा सीन चलता है. Like just now we shot a series recently जो release हुआ, Waking of a Nation. In March we released it. We have a 82-minute take, full courtroom का. And my DOPs were holding the
Fantastic.
it is like, it is, if you've seen it, na, like, मैं तो थी. I mean, 82 minutes के बाद में, like I said, boss, this is, we actually went in there and I clapped. I said, and my girls were the 4 DOPs, all girls. उनके कैमरा जब उतारे, then they were given, excuse me, one yoga, please, before must, because the back goes, no? But they were feeling like empowered, yeah, कि हमने किया. And the same thing with Arya, the character herself, no, she goes through so much. And there's always, like you asked also, the moral, what is right and what is wrong. Are you always going to be deciding? I think माँ हर वक्त वो decision में रहती. बेटी बन जाऊं, माँ बन जाऊं. Should I be myself? Should I be? Always protecting. Back of your head. And the youngest is youngest. Like her younger child is छोटा. तो वो हर वक्त उसके दिमाग में घुसी रहती कि वो क्या सोचेगा. वो जो हम भी सोचते हैं. So I think that connect, no, was real time connect. Arya to me is like boss.
You can connect with every character of that. For a woman, she can connect with every character of that
Yeah,
series.
it does.
You know, whether it's the daughter or the mother. As a woman,
Yes.
you can. And
And the tough relationship that she's having now, when she gets to know about her father,
yeah.
she's having to deal. She's lost her husband. I mean, it's tough to take that all out her. They were in love. Now, how do you explain this? वो तो उसको ही feel होगा ना. But you're somehow with her, you always feel that. You know, whenever she's looking at the photograph or whatever, those little moments were there. The losses that she has. Then she becomes empowered in season 2. Then in 3. And you know, so all that. And of course, Sushmita she's magic. She enters a premise, it's magic.
So this is about your work. A little bit about yourself, your upbringing, your siblings.
Lovely. Nice. So upbringing is
All Bombay.
all Bombay.
So very Mumbai girl.
Mumbai माईंची मुलगी. Hardcore माईंची मुलगी. I mean, you cannot be called anything else but that. So Marathi comes as within the DNA. So my parents got married in Kanpur. My father is a boss, a freedom fighter. He is a Sanskrit scholar, Ayurvedic doctor, surgeon. He was the dean of Poddar College. So Pitaji was very, very revered in many fields. Oh, to chhodiye ho yaar.
So very
Hindi, Vindi, ye, wo. You came into a lucky to be born into this family.
fantastic.
You understand it later कि तुमको क्या क्या मिला in terms of just the essence of divinity, actually, in the presence of which you were, you know.
Why just absorption?
Just absorption.
Yeah.
Yeah. इतनी सारी बातें, इतना सारा knowledge, the way he was revered as a doctor also, Pitaji. The way that he would run his clinic in terms of, You know, whoever came from छोटा सा clinic था एक time पे पिताजी का, though he was at Poddar, he was a surgeon. Many lives that we saw. कभी कभी 72 hours he stood and he's done surgery. I mean, these are unheard of things. But you heard that as a kid. To you,
Very
it was like a
righteous.
dude.
Very righteous.
Very righteous. सवाल ही नहीं है. Mummy being mummy, they got married when they came to that. We were in a chawl for the first couple of years. It was born over there. And
Choil meaning?
Chawl meaning it's still there. Bedekar Sadan. It is in Maim only. There is a entire mutual colony uske बाजू में छोटी सी chawl system. So 2 buildings. And we had, I think, a 1 bedroom छोटा सा घर. And mummy Pitaji could not afford much. Pitaji could not get back to Kanpur because of being the freedom fighter. And ये वो तो कुछ हुआ था तो यहाँ आ गए थे. He was doing working at Pudar hospital. And mummy and Pitaji, I remember, came to Bedekar Sadan. At that time, she just had a stove. ये शादी करके जब आई थी, स्टोव था और एक उनके पास वो ब्रास का भांडा था. That's all she had. From there, that journey began. It's just, these are things that when you hear,
And
no?
siblings?
Siblings, so I have one elder sister. She's in Delhi. She's a dentist. I really look up to Didi. And I have an elder brother. So he's a middle brother. Anand is here with me in the same building where we stay. We're very close. We three are very, very, very close. But I've been brought up in a chawl. So my entire system in life is now all doors were open. Everybody was a ai. Henchi ai, Tenchi ai, Maji ai. So I think I was first mostly in my neighbor's house, which is actually my ai. So they're still my Rathi brothers, and you know, that family is the first family. And then with time, we moved towards Mahim and other flats and all the rest of that. But yeah, in a very learned surrounding, very revered surrounding, very खुद के बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते थे पिताजी. That is something that I really learned.
It's
And
a mummy and Pitaji.
yes.
It's not Mataji, Pitaji.
No. Mummy was dude, man. She was like really something. You know, this guy used to be only so much into his work. ये पूरा पीछे से वो एक लोटे में खाना बना के वो कैसे manage कर रही थी. Half of Kanpur was in the house. Half of Jabalpur was in the house. She was feeding. She was doing all of this. These many mothers who were on this floor were looking after us. We were all growing up together. And there was just this, I cannot explain it. Whenever I tell Siddhant, of course, he's seen my father and he grew up with my Nanaji, Naniji, all of that. But this love, surrounding love that we felt as kids, no, this is different protection. When you get brought up in places like this, no, tomorrow when Siddhant got married and I was in Chowpatty, and my mother-in-law said, "बाणु શું કામ ખોલવાનું છે?" like in Gujarati. Why you all the time keeping the door open? I said, दरवाजा तो खुलेगा. The neighbor is going to come and pick up Siddhant, तो खाना वहीं खाने जाएगा. क्यों नहीं जाएगा? He's getting love. प्यार कैसे मना कर सकते हो? ये मम्मी है. This is mummy. Her name was also Prem Maya. You understand that later what she was doing and giving to the kids, there was so much love to. We have so much of it. जो तुम्हारी चीजें नहीं होंगी ना, तुमको फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. फिर भी तुम्हारे अंदर से प्यार ही आता है हर वक्त बाहर. One thing to be universally always kept is love. Don't touch that. उसको हाथ मत लगाना, वो तुम्हारा है ना? ये इन्होंने सिखाया कि बस कुछ भी नहीं था तो ये देती चली जा रही थी, बाद में भी था तो देती चली जा रही थी. You just learn that to give, then you'll just get. So it's just a simple way of life. So yeah, early years has been all school in Dadar, walking to Dadar, very, very highly intelligent siblings. The mastikor in the family, that's me. Was allowed to get away with it. एक बार मैं class में last भी आई हूँ, by the way. She wanted to hit me with a chhadi. Mummy came from down also. I said, see, I'm climbing slow, but I'm trying to climb. But she didn't mind कि तुमको dance class में जाना है. तुमको like, everybody was into science. Didi became a dentist. Anand became MSc, BSc, and then went into management and all that. I was at a war with my mother, and I remember standing in Ruparel. She was getting me admission into science. I was standing in arts. She was saying, "Pitaji kabhi nahi aise Pitaji allow karenge." Of course, he said yes. They were like this, you know. कि तुम्हारा मन का है वो करो, तुमको कहाँ से कभी भी याद आएगा कि ये लड़का है लड़की है. You were not discriminator. You were not told कि when you got your first job, अरे तुमको इतनी छोटी उम्र में नौकरी कैसे दे दी. मैं लेने भी गई थी, उनको नहीं बताया था. मैं लेके आगे ही बता दिया. तो तुम्हारा बैंक अकाउंट स्टार्ट कर देंगे. That was his answer. तो अभी तो तुम्हारा बैंक अकाउंट स्टार्ट करना है. So beautiful, ना? Now when you receive all this and you look at all these people who are not getting or getting. I said, I never felt that. That's why even in a room, whether they're men, women, or whatever, I'm always very secure. Are you confident what you are there for? I am.
Amita, you entered your working life as an intern,
Yes.
and now you run a business and a production house where you probably get interns coming all the time
Yes.
for the experience. What is the difference in you as an intern then
Yeah.
and the culture of interns then
Today.
and today?
When I was an intern, to get an internship itself was, you were not paid. It was in reverence.
भीख मांग के.
हाँ, नहीं हमको तो सोफाया से मिला था, तो हमको तो मिल गया था, thank God. But also we chose a production house. I don't know why at that time, but I chose a maybe I was meant to meet Ram, no? Of course, I keep telling you, मुझे आना जरूरी था. So
sweet
after that he became a partner. See, I had to come, then he became a partner. Bichara. But that was just something that you felt you got the internship, you got it on your own, and ऊपर से you were so present because all these guys and all these people and all these things you were learning, तुमको सीखने को मिल रहा था. ये तो वर्ल्ड तुमने देखा ही नहीं था. You whatever, you read some magazine and you saw something. It wasn't that. Cut to today, when interns come, the only difference I find them is when they are here, they are present. The only difference in their lives is the social media and the phone. हमारे पास मोबाइल phones नहीं थे. I think we had nowhere else to be but there. You just had to learn. You just had to be there. Your resources were so little. एक तो पैसे भी नहीं थे ना, तो वो जो है उधर ही चुपचाप खड़े हो जाओ. And you gave back to the work 24/7. You were there. And you had to do your own jugaad. तुम घर कैसे पहुंचोगी ये वो. Though this office was very nice, you were never sent back alone. There was always somebody accompanying. You were taken care of. You did the same for your own organization, but the only difference for them, poor things today, is because they have another world to also be part of, which is because of the mobile, the social media, all of that, the extra generating of information that they're getting. Everything that they can go and reference to. We did not have the reference to
And show their life too.
and show their life.
Yeah, yeah.
So now अभी वो अलग-अलग levels of when you're on a set, phones are on silent, phones are put away. Our sets are very silent. There is no shouting, there is none of that.
That's the way of the work.
That's the way of the work.
Yeah.
But they do come from a world, so the attention span can be a little bit more limited, I would say. Our attention span कहाँ जाएगा यार? You were there. You were going to get paid at the end of the month. You were going to be there 24/7. तो तुमको बैग उठाने के पीछे लाइन में खड़ा रहना है. You were going to go and pick up the film reel or whatever. You were just doing it yourself. Plus, there was till you were near a phone, your family was not going to know. तुमने घर छोड़ा, till you reach back home, there was no way of communication. One phone call could have come to the office, or you would have called from the office to the house.
कि मेरे को देर
But
हो
बीच में तुम कहाँ थे यार? You looked after yourself all the time. Whether you went to Chor Bazaar sourcing, remember that time Chor Bazaar and all that. तो तुम तो जा रही थी, तुम तो बाद में आके घर में बोला ना हम चोर बाजार अकेली गई थी. तभी थोड़ी बोल रही हो तुम, क्योंकि कौन चेक करने वाला. यहाँ तो in 5 minutes there'll be 6 like photographs, ये वो. It's like their world is like this. They can't help it. It's not that they're doing it purposely or something like that. It's just that I look at it that every world, it's adapting to that. Like I'm adapting to AI as technology. I am also, na. Their world is adapting to this way of operations. Though when we are here, we still continue including them in every little thing we do. I don't have separations here. ऐसा नहीं है कि तू प्री में आया तो पोस्ट नहीं करेगा. वो समझना जरूरी है, क्योंकि प्रोजेक्ट तो पूरा बनेगा. Even they know. Mozart handles us for PR and marketing. Even they know. They'll get included in everything. There are no filters here. Because you can't learn. You can't come in a room and say, अच्छा ये मेरा project नहीं है, तो then what am I going to do? No. You be included in the next one.
But in terms of you as a person, you say you grew up in a chawl. And and you are where you are today. Like partner in a big movie production house. What does that sort of learning, that growth, that spirituality, how do you gauge it? How do you How do you manifest it? How do you absorb and manifest it?
Actually,
It's a big,
it's a big
different,
journey when you look at it. I
not
think
only a journey, it's a different level.
it's actually for me in terms of manifesting and looking at it, I look at it in a very simple form. To say ki I grew up over here, but my parents managed to give me everything and more than everything that I could think of. Freedom. To think, बोलने का freedom, सोचने का freedom, जो करने का freedom, though I got ran away and got married to Rama, whatever the acceptability का freedom, हर जगह से जो freedom दिया गया, I think that's my manifestation. I think that's the one thing I would think कि निडर होना, तुमको कभी डर नहीं सिखाया गया, तो निडर तो DNA से हूँ मैं. Not because of my situation or where I was born or what. It's just the family and the people that I was surrounded. They were all निडर यार. वो डर कहाँ था उनके पास में? वो एक ही बाथरूम में तो है. वो है तो है. Managing, continuing,
This
smiling.
Nidar feeling and upbringing came from your father?
Yes, of course, Pidaji.
And that came from the education, that came from his learning.
His learning, the way the house was, the way that you were, though later on told कि साबे तक घर आ जाना, all that was Pitaji just being Pitaji. But mummy also, you know, the way the siblings were being brought up, कि ऐसे नहीं है कि तुम बैडमिंटन के वो उसमें नहीं जाने वाली हो, या वो स्पर्धा में तुम पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करने वाली हो, या मल्हार में जाके यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू परफॉर्म फॉर सोफायस. नेवर. Never. He would come and I was like, I remember in Sophia's having performing, I think just out of the last year of college, yeah, TYBA. And I was in 5 dances with 5 costume changes. The only time my father came to see, he was sitting in the front row. And the last thing I danced in Bhangra, he had to climb that girl's head. He stood up and he clapped. He was so shocked कि क्या कर रही है. But he was not surprised कि ये कैसे कर रही है. He was expecting it कि ये तो करेगी. And he was
Make a movie.
I should make a
You should make a movie on how girls should be brought up without fear.
Yeah.
Because the fear that we inculcate in the girl children, कि ये नहीं करना, वो नहीं करना, उससे नहीं बात करो, ये नहीं करो, यहाँ नहीं जाओ, वो नहीं जाओ, शादी कर लो, 25 साल के हो गए हो, ये करो. These are all fears we put in our girl children.
Yeah, but I think there are insecurities. I would say that person's insecurity she would put into the child. I don't think my parents were insecure.
But make that movie, na?
I'll tell you.
The society needs this education.
Yeah, I want to make this as the next one.
Make it.
Yeah.
And the society should learn that there should be nothing like fear. Because that will lead to your girl completing your dreams. Because she can go anywhere without that feeling that I'm a girl. I can't do
Yeah,
this.
I mean, there is no, yeah, absolutely. And that's got to do with even the families. Like, I would say, I was brought up in this kind of a family. My mahol was this. I was, also got the work culture, which was right. I think those families which are bringing, whether it's a girl or a boy, I think equality is very important. No, ये घर से आता है. ये
जो
father
हमारी-
and mother दोनों से आता है.
जो हमारी सबसे छोटी लड़की है, Sahana.
How sweet.
She is, I would say, quite fearless. I sometimes try to understand, but we haven't taught her fear.
हाँ.
So she doesn't know fear. Then sometimes I try to put fear into her जब रात को सोती नहीं. I say there's a green monster lurking. And she'll tell me later, Mama, there's nothing like green monster.
She's telling you. It's
That's
not
it.
working on her. See?
That's
It's already
it.
not working.
And I'm saying this is the best way to be. Just have no fear. Because you grow up with such freedom and large ideas.
Yeah.
And I think, when you do any form of meditation or any form of any spirituality, they always say the root cause of anything that is retarded is fear.
Yeah. And also you're only mirroring
I love
things.
this Nidar.
निडर word ये life में.
निडर
क्या
word
बात है?
तो
तुम
क्या-
निडर बना के अपने picture बना
Nidar word can only come from a UPI. People don't even know what Nidar is.
No, it does. Yeah, it does. It is this. I think in life, you're only mirroring things that you can't do or you don't want to do. And then you're mirroring that. So I only mirror कि मेरे को तो डर ही नहीं लगता है ना. तो मैं तो कर लूंगी. So I will only mirror that. तो अगर वो आदमी के अंदर सर्टेन इनसिक्योरिटीज हैं, इट्स नॉट गॉट टू डू विथ यू पुटिंग इट इनटू योर चाइल्ड और व्हाटएवर, इट्स द वातावरण दैट यू आर क्रिएटिंग. तुम बात कर सकती हो क्या घर में? सबसे पहले बात तो करनी चाहिए. देन यू आर एक्सप्रेसिंग, यू एक्सपेक्ट द सेम सामने से. So you're not living in a monologue, na? Then that's when you're internalizing and you're within yourself. I feel the conversation तो दो people मैंने point of view तो आने वाला है. नहीं तो खुद से साथ ही बोलती रहो. Because like even with my son, strange conversation ऐसे मोह माया का world है. कोई नहीं है. This is all मोह माया. तुम तो अपने आप में complete हो. Conversation यही चलनी चाहिए.
अभी मोह माया किसको समझ है?
विनय मोहिनी में आने वाला है. This is all about मोह
We
माया.
can explain Moh Maya to the audience because Moh Maya is what I understand from my father. I don't think people know what Moh Maya is.
Yeah, so my series which is coming out, Mohini, is all about Moh and Maya. It's going to be all about illusions. It's a mythological also character. It's a Vishnu's female avatar. So it's got many layers of, you see yourself in depth and you observe the life which was my parents and I lived that and thank God to that. So many learnings. Jab tum, when you can't like reach some places or you don't have a solution, you feel my mother was bedridden for 28 years, huh? And there cannot be a more fearless woman than her.
Why?
Mummy ko rheumatoid arthritis ho gaya tha, and then we could not cure it at that time. So she was bedridden for 28 years. This family went through all of that, but that person's being did not shift from what she was from the beginning till now, till the end. I always tell my brother and sister also कि जितना फैमिली के लिए झेलना था ना, इन्होंने वहाँ पे ब्लॉक कर दिया. तो हम नहीं चलेंगे ना. That's a disservice. We cannot turn around and say मुझे लग गया या मुझे खराब. हालो उधर कितना लगा होएगा.
And
So
where is she now?
मम्मी नहीं है. मम्मी पिताजी, both my parents are not there. My mother-in-law also passed away. So yeah, I don't have now. But there are many learnings and like my eye, that's why the chawl is very important. Like my kachi eye. She's my first mother. There is no question. वो नहीं है. लेकिन that learning of these women, when you see that life, कुछ भी नहीं था इनके
But
पास में.
have we seen it in any movies that you've done?
What their
The chawl and that life there. And
no, I think it come out more in Mohini. इसमें आने वाला है. She's written also as a piece of very Mumbai, Marathi, Hindi, English, Gujarati. All of that will come. This is how we work. But it's in here that created this. They were all eventually always striding ahead and taking charge of so many things. Also difficult, not easy,
not
you
easy.
know, and with
But a way of
less
life.
resources.
A way of life.
Way of life,
Yeah.
less resources, but always managing, always smiling. क्या इन्होंने डील किया तो हम क्या डील कर रहे हैं यार? When I can't solve something, no, ऐसे चलो वहाँ तो मेरे से ज़्यादा ही solve किया होगा. इतना तो मैं कर सकती हूँ. I should not give up. So I think those are all who are standing behind you.
So Moini appears to me in this conversation like she's the, I don't know, the manifestation of everything that
Yes.
you think should be.
It should be, and also it's a musical. So it's also got to do with, you all your life you go around protecting everybody or nidare, protect all that. I think एक टाइम के बाद में खुद को प्रोटेक्ट करना भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. यहाँ से स्थिरता.
Musical थोड़ा boring नहीं हो जाता?
ये बड़े अच्छे गाने लिखे भी मैंने ही है ना. मैं दिमाग खराब हो गया आजकल. मैं लिख रही. पिताजी used to write, I used to write, but Moini is written as that. So written, created, many journeys there, and many nice Marathi songs, many nice Hindi, Gujarati, all a nice mix. I think she's 25, so they keep laughing. They sing, "अरे but I was saying AI is also very young just now. ये तो अभी और बहुत मिस्टेक्स करने वाली है तो करने दो. अभी जिंदगी तो अभी चालू हो रही है. So it's just a character who's 25 years old. Just want to come alive. So it'll be nice to run that life with her. से कहाँ जाती है देखते हैं.
So is this a movie or this is a
No,
series?
currently it's been written as I'm creating her as an AI IP to be owned by us, and I'm going to first put her out as micro series, micro dramas, and then let's see if she becomes a real real person as OTT, as a film character. वो तो बाद में आएगा. पहले इनको लिख के थोड़ा ला रहे हैं. So currently we've just, I think last week, released a poster of hers on AI. So now it's just all those things are.
And how is it working with AI?
I think to me it's very liberating. because we've been through all formats and technology my entire life. From 35 till now, I have to seen all of it.
Yeah.
And for me, AI is just a technology that I need to use as adapting into a new format. So I think it comes pretty naturally. So yeah, it's nice. I'm enjoying it.
And your connect to the young Amita and now, how clear is that tunnel?
It's very clear. You know, the amazing part is that, like I was telling you, when you tap into yourself, when you tap and you go to yourself as a 12-year-old, and it's a 12-year-old cycle, right? All the cycles keep repeating. You look at yourself at 24, you are complete. 12 में तो तुम पूरी complete, तुमको नहीं पता था, बट तुम हो गई थी. 24 में थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आता है कि क्या क्या हो रहा है, but that's the real you.
Hmm.
All that you did, all the decisions that you took, and after that, that you're going to be taking, they're just the repeating patterns of just that. Newer things keep coming. You know, और प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं और बर्डन्स आते हैं वो, बट तो तुम उसके सॉल्व उसी तरीके से कर रही थी जैसे हुआ. इवन नाउ आई फाइंड माई सेल्फ एग्जैक्टली द सेम पर्सन.
And you've not let that person down.
नो, नो, आई हैव नो रिग्रेट्स. दैट्स ऑल्सो समथिंग कि गलतियां अगर हुई हैं तो खुद से हुई हैं, तो मान लो कि तुमने की, वो तो मैं मान लेती हूँ. आई विल नेवर गो एंड क्रिटिसाइज एनीबडी. ऐसे अगर ये गलती हुई है तो सबसे पहले तुम्हारी समझ कम होगी कि तुमने ये अलाउ किया पहले. फर्स्ट गो इंटरनलाइज योर सेल्फ. इट कांट, इट्स सो इजी टू ब्लेम एवरीबडी एल्स. यार इट्स तुम्हारे कारण, इनके कारण, कोई नहीं कारण वहाँ.
Absolutely.
अपने आप में जाओ, बोलो कि उनको नहीं समझ में आ रहा था, स्टिल यू वेंट अहेड, राइट? तो वेरी गुड, गुड लर्निंग. वापस आओ, retract, learn again, start again. I've always been like this. And there is no better time for that. क्या है? Just like वो something I started the studio balance when I was 46. Everybody said, ऐसे तो क्या है? मेरे को अभी समझ में आई है यार बात, तो मैं अभी करूँगी ना. What am I going to do? Whatever comes to me at whatever time in life, I'm going to start from there, right? So I think I just go with that flow. Flow is the right word. Flow. Let it just breathe. आएगा तो आएगा, नहीं आएगा तो तुम्हारा था ही नहीं, तो क्या पकड़ के रखने का, छोड़ो. See, I've become all this ज्ञानी person now.
Very Gyani person. But, and marriage, very supportive.
Yes, yes. Oh my God. I'm married to my best friend, of course, love of my life. But yeah, very. Ram is like my father always used to say ना कि of course मम्मी बोलती थी कि राम आ रहे हैं, सीता ऐसे आपने देखा नहीं, मैं गीता हूँ, मैं तो उसके सामने चल रही हूँ. I'm always not walking behind him. I'm walking in front of him. And my father just totally, both of them loved Ram. He's the ideal son-in-law, son to have actually. And Ram is completely in reverence of my parents, to the family, everything that this family needed to bring it together. It's a complete bond. So work is work, we work together. वो थोड़ी ना घर लेके जाने का, तो छोड़ो उसके. I am तो very much छोड़ो, घर is घर. हाँ. I remember Ram doing his first feature film. It became this big director, and I said, excuse me, इधर आके पप्पा किचन बहुत हो गया, वो सब बाहर रहेगा, इधर नहीं आने वाला है. I think I keep it that way. It's more fun to be friends, living with your best friend. There is a nice romantic angle to it. That's nice. हम वहाँ से यहाँ तक आ गए. Like we look at this place and every time we enter, Ram and me enter our new office and say, Haila, this hours, what? How this happened? I said, yeah, how this has happened, we don't know. But it's like this,
But
it's
do
all
you
my.
advise him on the kind of movies? Does he advise
We
you?
discuss everything. Yeah. We discuss because it's going to be a together journey.
Yeah.
Whether he takes up something or some subject that he wants to do, Ram also will think a lot before building something or writing something or doing something. So you're pretty much part of that journey. But to give the creator that's due, it's eventually his call. There is no question. On creation, I will not enter. All support, 101%. And more will be provided. Because you know that when he wants to do something, it's going to come with so much respect, first of all, that he will even put it out. That every other help has to be in place. That definitely I will provide. There is no question. And of course, then there is a interaction about ये करें कि नहीं, वो कर लेना चाहिए कि नहीं. All that happens. That's part of the thing.
And the movies that are being made around at this point, and you see the movies being made, the TV show.
House.
आपका क्या opinion है उसका?
I feel everybody is doing lot of stuff. Sometimes the formulas get repeated. and then you see a pattern. जैसे ये शो चल रहा है तो ये शो बनाने लगो, मेरा तो इमीडिएटली तो अच्छा दूसरा बनाओ, फिर बहुत हो गया. So we are like this. We also observe and we say हमको कौन सी कहानी बतानी है.
Little disruption.
Little disruption. Also, are we in it? First of all, people come, they can offer you something. हाँ, तुम ये भी बना लो, but they are thinking about you based on your last work. But you तो have evolved ना in the meanwhile. तुमको कुछ और करना है. I really believe that we look at this and say that when you are ready with something new, na, that opportunity, those people will come to you. And they actually do. It fits in that way, rather than trying to fit into a mold. When you try to fitting too much, ना some part of you तुम छोड़ते चले जा रहे हो. पर तुमको बोलना क्या है, क्योंकि create तो तुम ही करने वाले हो ना. So might as well go ahead and do something that you are totally in belief of. And then those energies come and fit in. So I think we attract what you believe in. So in terms of even content, that's exactly what is happening. There's lots to see. I see a lot. We both see a lot. We are enjoying a lot of the South cinema just now, South series. There's a certain kind of vibe. There is a certain kind of, they belong differently to the roots. I like that. I think my characters develop from there. I definitely feet firmly on the ground person. I like that flavoring of that. Ram is also liking a lot of that just now. So I think a couple of other projects are coming from that world. Though the
Do you
philosophy,
ever on sets have a altercation with the director, or when you're very firm about what you believe?
I'll never ever enter a set and be in the creative field. I'll just not. That is that director's area. Even if they are second directors or third unit, it is his set. Boss chance ही नहीं. कोई भी नहीं. राम भी अगर उसका वो director का set, Ram will not go there and say anything at all ever. First, he'll never go. Secondly, even if he goes, we will not. No, that's like temple. It's temple actually. वहाँ पे हाथ जोड़ लेने का वो उसका moment है. That has to be respected because that's what the crew is respecting at that moment. You can't suddenly come and start telling him something. He's on a wavelength, na? It takes a lot to even get a set act together and have a scene being built. You cannot. I'm always sitting there.
Your life, like how it's grown from where you were to where you are, you seem really happy. It tells on your face, it tells in your skin. Because I make skincare products, I can see.
Thank you.
It's like an internal glow. Have there been moments which you could have done better?
I think so. I think in certain areas of business development, like I was telling you ना कि कोई कंपनी में प्रोजेक्ट आने के पहले अगर कंपनी स्टार्ट कर दी ना, then it is not ever about the money. It's about the time wrongly spent. कि तुम पेपर वर्क में इतनी लग गई कि तुमने वो प्रोजेक्ट पे ही नहीं ध्यान दिया या तुमको आया ही नहीं. It both has to move together, ना. Project तो होना चाहिए then company. So I think sometimes I have done that with having learned putting companies together, maybe applied that a little bit more forcefully rather than working on the project. And I think maybe I must have been a little bit afraid of that project. It was a little too difficult. So I went and
Moved out of it.
hid behind this thing.
Yeah.
But वो नहीं करना चाहिए था. Always now lesson learned.
Yeah.
Projects होंगे, company बन जाएगी. Problem is, it will always fit into whichever. Now we have all forms of companies happening. But that comes with having done that. And then you realize that you were listening to the wrong thing. Or maybe you were handling too much. See, there are two ways always. And maybe इसका जोर तुमने उस पे डाल दिया. तो वो नहीं होना चाहिए. So then
And if Anita was not a producer of movies and being in the world that you're in, what would Amita be?
event manager, for sure. 101%. First love is stage. So it would have always been that.
Like a theater actress.
Not an actress. I think I would have always been at the back. An event manager, putting events together. I think that's been somewhere thematically something that why do I go
Or
to
a writer?
Writer, yes. Writer तो आ रही हूँ मैं बाहर. आ गया. मोहिनी के साथ writer आ जाएगा. Lyricist for sure. That's coming with other thing. But I think my
Events company start कर लो.
हाँ की थी. अभी उसको साइड में रख के आई एम डूइंग मूवीज. अब लाइक कोई बात नहीं. इसके साथ मे बी दैट विल आल्सो बिगिन. वी डोंट नो. But yeah, I think I'm cut out for that. I think, of course, producing gives you that opportunity also. Every day on a set is an event. Let me tell you, it is an event. Your shoot is an event.
of
और तो
course.
क्या हो रहा है? The fact that anybody says pack up and your last day of shoot
And
is
then
over
you're
is
saying you're hosting it.
yeah.
So that's an event
Yeah,
anyway.
you have. But then to do events as events, no, that's another whole. It's got a thrill to it. So even for my nephews' weddings or whenever one did sangeet or choreographed or put
All done by you.
chance ही नहीं. But you
चलो हमारे बच्चों की शादी है.
मैं आ जाऊंगी. You will get better ones than me, but
But so basically you are manifesting everything that you want to be.
yes, I think it has always been that. Walk towards things which are calling out to you. You'll always be helpful. You'll always take care. वो तो
You
तुम्हारी
kept a little bit behind the scenes.
I love that. They don't really know me. It's better.
But now this is not behind the scenes.
नहीं तुम हो ना अभी तो
तो अच्छी बात है.
अच्छी बात है जब टाइम आता है like even when they give me interviews I tell them don't have too many of them. What's the point of me saying the same things 10 times? It should be focused. मैं तुमसे बात कर रही हूँ ना हो गया बस what is there to say the same thing in 10 more interviews? Why? Because you'll ask the same after a while it becomes a repetition. If I have something new to say, if I'll announce Mohini or I'll put a script out or do something, then उसकी बात करेंगे ना. There is something new to say.
And in this crazy world of actors and actresses and stars, and who do you feel relates to the most with themselves? Like when they come on sets, you know that this is.
I think Sushmita does. She does. She's very centered. You can feel that. I think that's why there's a presence. Like I said, I think Sikandar does. Actors that I've worked with. Who did Wild? Sun Kher, yeah. He was in Arya.
Yeah, and
Yeah. I think Nikita does in our show, Making of a Nikita Datta. Very centered, very young, but very focused within herself. Taruk Rena, who was in One, Making of a Nation. They're doing so much, no, as an actor, as a singer, but there's some certain kind of soft centering. I like that. In the world that they're trying to work in, they're pretty much in their own zone too. I think Sonam to a large extent too. As a person, lovely, 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 lovely. Heart सही जगह पे दिखाई पड़ता है. You can feel that somehow. But these are few people that I feel they're very there. अभी तो और मिलने हैं मिलेंगे वो
अभी तो आर्टिफिशियल आप कर रहे हो एआई कर रहे हो
अभी राम करे
तो वो तो अपने कैरेक्टर्स बना रहे हो then you can make any form of character centered uncentered
uncentered,
insecure,
crazy,
secure,
pagal,
crazy.
express all of them.
Anything you want you can create.
You can just express it out there and hopefully it will help.
Amita, I've had a great conversation with you.
Same here.
Really honestly, because there's so much I could talk to you about. I feel this more Maya thing, Nidar thing, this is all my part of my growing up.
How nice.
It's true.
Yeah, we should
I don't hear this anymore.
हाँ
I don't hear this anymore.
नहीं बोलते हैं
अब आप करिए अपनी मोहिनी में
हाँ मोहिनी
जो भी आप
सब लीडर है
AI characters आप कर रहे हैं build so that the younger generation doesn't get a big complex. वो of course you want
responsible storytellers.
yes that's so lovely
है ना कहानियाँ तो बोलनी चाहिए लेकिन
जरूर
yes
ideal people
simple storytelling यार keep it simple. एक time में I keep telling everybody that this girl who's there she's the person who's sitting next to you on the train. That's the person. She exists. उसके वर्ल्ड में तो she definitely exists. So much more. Why not? वहाँ में एक वर्ल्ड चल रहा है उसके बारे में बात करते तो क्या हुआ है ना It's nice. Keep it simple.
keep it simple and keep it real.
Yes. Real is very important.
So we have a rapid fire.
Yes.
And again, I feel that you are a well of information that you could give so much. So keep writing
Yes.
because if you've just started writing, abhi to bahut time hai, likhte raho because you know you're a daughter of a freedom fighter
Yes.
and kya baat hai. I mean, your story, your journey, your whole experiences are so enriching and so inspiring. You know that what all I can imagine you go through, and then what you see in sometimes in movies, living in a chawl where everybody is connected, there's a tai and there's a this
Ai.
eye and this
There's a
one and that,
dada.
and everybody knows what's happening in your open house.
Yes.
You see it in movies.
Yeah.
And
And you grow from there to come to flats and societies and all that, but the world still is from there.
yeah,
You saw that. So you know you belong. At that level, you definitely do.
ground level. Okay, fantastic. So rapid fire. What's one rule of the industry you secretly think is complete nonsense?
Gossip.
Gossip ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता.
हो ही नहीं सकता. Yeah, ऐसे
Gossip is integral part. I don't believe that. You can tell me casting couch. You can tell me ये ऐसी नहीं है, वैसी है, but you can't say gossip.
can't say gossip. Yeah, but I think that's one of the things that we don't really get into.
You
not-
don't get in.
I don't get into. I say actually right from the beginning. I've just thought if any time anybody told me उसके जाके मत मिलना तो मैं definitely मिलने वाली. I don't know why I have this thing. कि
Gossip
as-
exists. Gossip
It
exists.
just took- I love this experience. This is so much.
हो ही नहीं सकता.
हो ही नहीं सकता.
Okay. If you could unlearn one habit the industry taught you, what would it be?
I think overdoing and over
Thinking?
yeah, I think that's definitely one thing that I would like to unlearn. I don't, by DNA, I'm not that. So I think when you're overlearning and overthinking something, no, to make that, then you manifest it and you micromanage it too much. Sometimes usko khol dena chahiye. That's one thing definitely that I allowed it to, but it's already walking, usko chhod do. Flow. I've changed that to more flow. I don't want it to. Unless on the set, I always tell them कि set पे सब ऐसा bound है because you're controlled with time, people, ये वो, everything that is. But rest of the time, just let it be. Rather than वो ऐसे करके ऐसे
It's spontaneous.
हाँ, I think so. I think maybe my personality is like that. It might not suit everybody, but I think that is something that I'm definitely. छोड़
What's the deal you walked away from that everyone said you were crazy to refuse?
अभी तक मिला नहीं है मेरे को कोई ऐसी चीज.
चलो ये मुझे next time बता देना.
Next time बता.
Okay. What's something you do differently when a room is full of powerful men versus powerful women? Honestly.
I think I just stand there very secure. It shows on my face. I've noticed this. I don't now. Earlier, I would get affected. Now I don't. I just stand there very secure. मुझे नहीं भी बोलना पड़ेगा तो चलेगा. मैं दिखूंगी जरूर. उसमें ही मैं दिख जाऊंगी. It's enough. It's enough. कुछ प्रूव ही नहीं करना है ना. ठीक है. It's okay.
क्या बात है. What's a trend in content today that you think will age terribly?
I think the repetitive same formula type of stuff. कि ये स्टोरी ऐसी चल रही है तो 5 बार उसको ही बना दो. कोई भी जॉनर में देखो तो वो उसकी वो जो एक उसकी खुशबू रहती है ना वो कहानी की जो कैरेक्टर्स की खुशबू रहती है वो चली जाती है बिकॉज यू ऑडियंस ऑल्सो बिकम स्मार्ट ना दे प्रेडिक्ट इट फास्टर तो दे ऑलरेडी टाइम
ये होने वाला है.
हाँ
अभी ये होने वाला
सब
है.
दिमाग में
Yeah.
हमें अपनी तो ना भी बिकम
Conditioning.
कंडीशनिंग
It's called conditioning. It's also like when वो जो social media में it's a song starts, no, one jingle, then everybody is using that
everybody
jingle.
is using
Till everybody thakos from that.
just like control it and like just
I've never
It's
been one of those. Anyway,
yeah
what's the one question no journalist ever asks you but should? यही जो मैंने
That
सब
you did.
आपको
सब
पूछा है.
पूछा है and thank
हाँ.
God you did कि what are you doing next Anita you've asked me that today they don't ask me that what are you doing मैं कर तो बहुत रही हूँ what are you doing for yourself you did ask me that today
But
as
you
a
know
creator
what I've been most interested in has been your journey. I think it's incredible.
thank you
One genre you'd never touch again.
I think any film which is heavy loaded on VFX I think वो थका देता है थोड़ा उस अभी के लिए नहीं but any film that's totally like if it's like 90% VFX and rest is only story I think that's something I wouldn't want to touch my Gam can touch it of course my company can touch it I don't want to be part of that it tires you I think maybe I get a little exhausted with so much post production not that we can't do it we're one of the best production houses that can But for a bit, I don't want to be down that path.
If you weren't afraid of backlash, what would you say more often? I don't think you're afraid of backlash.
I'm not afraid of that.
But if you were,
I've never been, na, so I can't think like this.
but what would you be afraid of? बच्चों के बारे में कुछ?
नहीं, नहीं.
नहीं?
I am very, very secure on family and this. I think we have both invested that kind of time and journey in it. I think that is my strength actually. वो अगर
Freedom fighter's daughter, how can you be afraid of backlash?
नहीं वो तो मैंने वो क्या हम लोग ने कुछ और ही क्या है यार
What scares you more right now? Failure, irrelevance, success changing you?
none of this I don't think any of this has ever
Irrelevance scares people.
no
Being irrelevant.
no I don't think I have put myself into any brackets like these or whenever they've tried to box me into any of these things I've stayed unboxed.
But maybe you've never not been relevant, so you're not scared of it.
I'm not scared
It's
of
possible.
it is
But
but
it could be a fear.
no
No.
in fact I'm worried कि लोग जो because see in their world they have to fit me somewhere ना तो आई फील मुझे आप फिट कर दीजिए कि मैं तो नहीं हूँ तुम खुश रहो मुझे वहाँ फिट कर दिए बहुत खुश रहो वहाँ पे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बट आई डोंट वांट टू बी इन माय हेड आई एम नॉट फिक्स्ड ओवर देयर आई एम फाइन वो उनका प्रॉब्लम है मैं क्यों कर लूँ
Okay, the one question they haven't asked me is what's your skincare routine? Because your skin glows. And I make skincare, so tell me.
No, nothing. I think I've just inherited this. I think this is what mummy and pitaji. Thank God. There is no
Energy and
energy.
positivity.
Bus. That is it.
And the environment,
will
you walk
no
in and you
skincare routine.
welcome and no fear, nidarta.
ऐसे नहीं होते सब बेचारे इधर उधर से मैम दिस विल हैपन दैट विल ऐसे तो लेट इट हैपन फर्स्ट ना देन विल वरी अबाउट इट के पागल जैसे दिस विल हैपन दैट विल हैपन हुआ तो नहीं है बिन मतलब चालू है ऐसे जब हो जाएगा तो आई वरी अबाउट इट तब
पर है क्या skincare routine?
कुछ नहीं आई डोंट यूज एनी सोप्स आई जस्ट फेस वॉश इन द मॉर्निंग पानी से
Use our bee products.
थैंक यू दैट आई विल यूज फॉर
Will you give me feedback?
यस आई विल वेरी मच विल
It's clean beauty.
यस
तो आपके beautiful skin को कुछ नहीं करेगा.
कुछ नहीं so enjoy carefully नहीं होगा
Enjoy.
that is so lovely and thanks God it's a lot my God look at this stuff
हमारा O2 वाव है. It's a best seller.
lovely
It's a daily mask.
nice
आपका जो भी impurities है face में, pollution,
I will
tan,
definitely
ये
use.
वो सब निकाल देता है daily tan. Then you have
The youth
Super
cream.
Power, which is eternal youth cream and a skin barrier. Beautiful cream.
nice
D&D overnight when you're watching late night shows, use it.
nice
Makes you look like you slept.
oh God that's so
और जो face wash use करते हैं, use ours. It's clean.
nice
No
Definitely.
sulfates, nothing.
yeah
This was not a marketing plug.
Not
I
at
really
all,
made
no,
it
no.
because you said you don't use anything.
मैं नहीं use करती हूँ because for the only simple reason I never went down that path so recently has just been a little bit of like just the bee cream as foundation little bit of eyeshadows and eyeliner.
Great.
I don't get the time either.
Great skin.
Thank you.